Hello everyone, my name is Abiram and I made a bit of physics by using a YouTube tutorial on Python, the engine I'm using for Python. If I run this, you'll see what it does. I did not do this by myself, this was a tutorial because this would be way too advanced for me, but this is what it do. It makes a bouncing ball. You might think this is super easy, but there's gravity, functions, and everything like that. But just to simplify for you, I'll just tell you all the steps that I used easily by just showing what they do. So I imported the Turtle library. It's not the library you read from. We're not here to read books, okay? This is importing its own library, basically. It keeps all this pack information about it and puts it all in that little small world of its own. And then I created a variable called wn, short for window, which is equal to turtle.screen, which displays a screen. And then I set wn.bg color, which I set to black. BG stands for background color, so that was simple. wn.title, you might notice it sets the title to Bouncing Ball Sim. If you noticed, then the top, it might have said Bouncing Ball Sim. It would have sent something different, but I used the title command. I use ball equals turtle.turtle, uppercase, in parentheses. This is also a variable just like the window command. And then these are just ball.shape, which is setting the shape to circle, and then the ball.goto, which is setting the coordinates. So it like this automatically goes up there. And then I set the color to green for the ball, and then the dy is delta y equals -1. So then I put a while true. So this means that if there's basically it's just repeating an infinite loop until you break it. But then it's just doing balls.set y. It's just setting the coordinates everywhere. I don't know what this is yet. I'm still learning, okay? And then gravity equals 0.1. Since we have gravity on Earth, how do you make physics without gravity? Impossible. So I created a variable called gravity, which is equal to 0.1. Because that's what the guy in the video said. His name is Tokyo EdTech. In the video said that 0.1 was the best speed. And then ball.dy negative equals gravity because negative, not positive. We're reading in space by now. We'll be recording this in space. But since that's not the case, well, I had to create this command. I always mess this thing up because of my order, and I just broke my thing. I didn't break it. Thank God. But then this making gravity, I put in the wrong order, so. But getting back to topic, I had to put the pen up command because when I was going, it was leaving behind a trail of green pen. It's not like your kids put the marker, put it in my computer, and then just went down with the ball. No,
Run the command.
It just puts a thing up, and then ball y which stands for y coordinates, is less than -300 colon ball.dy is delta y multiply.
Run the program.
1.
Run the program. Run it.
And then gravity equals 0.1 again. I did not know what I did. I don't know. I just copy pasted that there by accident. And that's what you get. Please, do not teach anyone how to memorize this. I will not get it. I'll not get enough credit. I mean, the guy just kind of took the credit. One thing I wanted to fix today, or wanted to fix in the future, is this. If you see the ball properly, it edges out a bit by the back screening. So I want to fix that in the future. If I continue this. So thank you for listening. Bye.